This is the last transmission, last posting from this trip to Thailand. The flight tomorrow leaves at, well, it leaves about 8:45, and I'm going to be at the airport at 6 o'clock. So this is a lot closer to the airport, and boy, this is really, people jammed in here really tight. It's a nice little apartment though. It's like a business front where we're staying. But boy, there's little alleys down this way and there's little alleys down this way. This is the end of the street here. Move out of the way so this person can get by on their motorcycle. And then there's another little alleyway down over this way, and it's full of businesses and apartments. And it's really something. Anyway, I gotta go back to Salt Lake. They've got to fix my hips. And the only way I can do it is to have the VA take care of it for me. If I do it here in Thailand, I'll use all my savings just for one hip. And if I go back to the US and try to do it on Medicare, it would cost the same on Medicare as it would here, just without insurance. So the VA is the only way I'm going to get it done. So it's really interesting. I'd like to explore a little bit, but I don't think I can. It's a really, really bustling little neighborhood. We're down by the port, clear down by the Gulf of Thailand. I have a little more than 3 hours before my flight leaves, so I'm just camped out here trying to take it easy, and I have a comfortable chair so I can sleep if I can sleep. I don't know if I can, but. And he dropped me off here pretty close to where there's food and drinks and everything else. It's pretty good. I got me a bulkhead so I have leg room. So even though it's a packed full flight and I'll have people on both sides of me, at least I have some leg room. And room to get in and out if I need to use the bathroom. So that's good. Well, hello everybody. It's 1 month later and I'm starting this. Well, I'm videoing this at the same spot I videoed my little piece just before I left for Thailand. Hey everybody, Ben here checking in about a week and a half before leaving for Thailand, up on Cemetery Hill, a hill in Magna, Utah, my hometown, where are buried some of my friends, my teachers, my neighbors. It's kind of humbling to be here, actually. Anyway, so as you know, my trip to Thailand didn't turn out exactly the way I'd hoped. I got there after a couple of weeks, had my hip just all of a sudden stopped working. My strength in my leg went away. I lost my balance. Had the x-rays, they said, well, you need your hips replaced. Well, so I came back home 1 month ago. I went to the Veterans Administration Hospital here in Salt Lake City, and they said, yes, you need your hips replaced, but you're a little bit overweight. I don't know what that was based on, because they have a cutoff on their BMI, and all the times I plugged my information into the calculations, it came up below their cutoff line. But they said, no, you're above the line, you need to wait for 3 months. So that was I think I'm going to appeal that. There are some people I can talk to appeal that. Well, anyway, it's been disappointing. I spent a lot of money, and really I spent that money for the attorney in Thailand, and everything was going swimmingly. But all that's gone now. I have to start the visa process all over again. Well, if you want to stay subscribed to this channel, that's okay, but nothing's going to happen for a while. Possibly 3 months, possibly 6 months, I have no idea. Anyway, thank you for your time, your attention, and I hope things work out soon. So, everybody take care of yourselves. I hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you later.